Hi everybody, welcome to another unboxing. Here we have the new 8BitDo 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller. I've had it for about a week now, but obviously with being in retail, I've had a very busy weekend. You could ignore this. This was the sticker from the pickup. This is the only one they have at Best Buy that I could find, aside from some color variations. This has the charging dock in it as well. It's the 2.4 gigahertz only, no Bluetooth at all, which is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but what can you do? All right, so let's get this thing open. Looks like we need to tear this. See if I got enough nail to do it here. All right, I had to grab something to pop that off. Now we got this. We'll open it up right here. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh, just hit the camera. All right. All right. Take a look at this boxing here. Anything else in there? Nope. Just. Oh, okay. So let's see what we have in this top section here. It looks like this is probably the charger. So let's actually pull this first. And here we are. All right, and it has the Xbox format here, A, B, X, Y, 3 buttons, star, plus, minus, your center. Imagine that's your battery. Do have buttons too on the back here. You can do X or D, right? There's D, but X is what you're going to use most often. USB-C adapter for charging or plugging it in, I would assume. Oop, there's some plastic here. Let's pull this plastic off and see how these buttons feel. Ooh, nice click. Nice click here as well. Oh, these feel really good. I do believe this has the hollow sensors in it. I'm pretty sure it was the 2.4 gigahertz that had it. I love the idea that it has these. This should work well with my Steam Deck, Xbox, or whatever. Yeah, look at those buttons. Those are nice. Xbox could make a controller this nice. Putting those hollow sensors in. Let's take a look. What else do we have here? This should be the charging dock. And it is. Anything else in there? Nope. Put that off to the side. USB-C input on the back. Let's see what we have here. Oh, there's your 2.4 gigahertz adapter. It is the brick one, but this is white. I love the fact that's in there. Somewhere to hide it. This is kind of nice. Let's see how it fits on here. Ooh, that's got a nice fit to it. Let's bring it into. Locks right into place. Oh, there's a nice click to it too. And this must be the controller. I mean, the charging cable. Let's open this up. And yes, USB-C to A cable. And the manual, and just more cardboard that we can get rid of. All right, so let's bring back the controller back into focus here after we get everything else out of here. Let's move my pen over. And let's take a little more of a look on. All right. Oh, nice. The dogs decided to start moving around right as we're about to finish up. This has like a rough texture here on the side. I don't know if you can really get that on camera or not. There's your buttons. You can see here, here's your X mode and your D mode. Your pogos for the charge. Again, there's only 2 buttons here on the back. A closer look here of some type of red on the button. I'm not sure where that's coming from. don't have anything else on. Then we have a smooth finish here at the top. And the buttons are nice. They formed. See if this is the power. This is the power button here, I would assume. Or is it this one? Not getting anything here. This has a great grip feel to it. It's kind of small. Great feel here. I don't know if anybody else has tried these, but let me know what you guys think. Just want to do a quick unboxing. Obviously, I'll do a short on the actual quality of the gameplay and the charging. Let me know what you guys think. That is the 8BitDo Ultimate 2.4G wireless. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.